I've had multiple patients who utilize P90X as their fitness solution, and I've actually personally tried it myself. As far as the instruction and the variety and the program that they've built, it's really fantastic. It's a comprehensive total body type fitness program. I tried it when I was a little bit older than younger, and I developed some tendon and some muscle issues related to it because it's pretty intense. I definitely recommend it for someone who's got more experience in fitness and someone who's already worked their way, through the basics and through the beginning phase. That being said, I've had multiple patients that had amazing body transformations using the P90X system. For me, I kind of put this in the category with CrossFit and those types of programs. So P90X will be available to you in your home. CrossFit is going to be in some local gym. They're a full body workout, which I do recommend. You have to be careful of your ability level and your body's readiness to do this. I like to point out to patients that professional athletes are professional athletes. They don't have a day job. They don't have other things they do. And they generally have either a team or a personal trainer to get them ready and to cool them off. Plus they have rest period. Most people with a 40-hour work week that add a 1 or 2 hour fitness to it aren't properly warming up and cooling down and resting. I only recommend these higher intensity, higher demand type fitness programs for people who are truly able and willing to spend the time and the effort at the recovery part and the nutritional fueling. I've had multiple patients develop adrenal fatigue from overstressing their body with work, fitness, and family schedules and not being able to rest and provide nutrition properly. If that's the kind of way you want to go, I want to fully support you in that and give you the resources you need to do that, but it's going to take more time demand than just the exercise itself. I hope you found this really helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to this page because there's a ton more videos out there.